Welcome to Tiny Beat.
Swim, splash, sing with me, ocean pals beneath the sea. Wiggle, giggle, flap and glide, let's explore the ocean wide. Dolphin flips with a happy sound, leaping high then diving down. Click, click songs and a splashy grin, let the ocean games begin. Wobbly arms, it moves with grace, octopus finds a hiding place. Wiggle legs, there's 8 not 2, peekaboo in water's blue.
Tiny fins, a stripe of white, clownfish plays from left to right, darts through coral quick and bright, playing tag in morning light.
Turtle floats with steady pace, peaceful smile on its face. Swims so slow then takes a rest on a seaweed pillow nest. Swim, splash, sing with me, ocean pals beneath the sea. Wiggle, giggle, flap and glide, let's explore the ocean wide. Jellyfish go bounce and glow, drifting where the currents flow. Soft and jiggly, not too fast, floating like a bubble blast. Crabby claws go side to side, scuttling fast where shells may hide. Clickety-clack, it waves one claw, our red shell pal says hi with awe. Swim, splash, sing with me, ocean pals beneath the sea. Wiggle, giggle, flap and glide, let's explore the ocean wide. So many friends in waters blue, they swim and sing and dance with you. Next time when the tide rolls in, let's meet our ocean pals again.